Okay, so members, today we are going to see how we get the angle between two lines. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on YouTube. Then we say consider the lines, these two and this. The angle between them, theta, is given by, now if we have this and this as lines, if the angle between them is theta, then that is given by, now here we base on basically the parallel vectors of those two lines. So you get the angle, you get the parallel vectors of those two lines, you dot them, you get their magnitude, then cos of the angle between them. In simple terms, the angle between two lines we basically get them using their parallel vectors or direction vectors. So simple examples are here. Find the angle between this and this. So from here, so we can easily pick out the parallel vector. We first take this is positive, this is positive, this is positive 1 before we pick out. So that now my u1 will be the power of this, we say these are the coordinates 3, 1, 2. Then when we come to this one, if we arrange this one first, you see that our r will be, now it shall be having 1, 1, 0, then plus lambda. This is 4, negative 5, negative 1. So from there is that our u2 is equaling to 4, negative 5, negative 1. So from there, members, all we do to get the angle between them, we say cos the angle we want. So now we do the product. So now u1 dot u2 will be, u1 is dot, now 4, negative 5, negative 1, which will be having 12, this and this minus, we are multiplying, and this times this minus 2, which will give you a 5. Then we come to modulus of u1 modulus will be square root of, you say u1, when you square 3, squared plus 1 squared plus 2 squared, which will give us, this is 9 plus, that's 10 plus 4, that will be square root of 14. Then when I come to modulus of the second vector, will be now square root of, that one is 16. When I square this one, I get 25. And I square 1, I get 1, which will be. So this will be 41. This will be square root of 42. And from there, members, now we just substitute from here. So here we have now, which is 5. So from here, we have 5 equaling to root of 14 times root of 42, then cos theta. And from there, you see that your cos theta will be 5 divided by this, 5 over root 14 over root 42. So members, we just substitute because the product was a positive. So from there, if you press your calculator, you see that we'll be having the angle. So you see that now the answer me I'm having here is 70. So from here you see that my theta will be the positive inverse, and now my theta will be 78.1 degrees. We give 2 decimal places, but it was already. When I come to this, start from here, my u1 is 1, 1, negative 2. I'm interested in u2, but if I pick u2, it's not the option here is not 1, and also here is not 1. We say for this multiply here, negative 1, and this now the reciprocal of the coefficient. So the reciprocal, so that our coefficient of z is 2. Its reciprocal will be a half. Multiply it up and also down. So this one you see there is negative 1. This reciprocal, which is still negative 1. So multiply negative 1 up and down. So we multiply it so that we convert this to positives and should be positive 1 strictly. So this is x over 2 equal to negative 1 times y, get y, negative y, times negative 1, you get positive y. Then this time this negative 2 over this time this negative 3 equal to, we multiply a half here, I have now z plus, when I multiply a half here, I have a half over 2. When I multiply a half here, I have a 4. So I can just now pick out my u2. My u2 now is going to be 2, negative 3, 4. But remember in our formula, we need their dot product. So the dot product u1 dot u2 will be, now I put 1, 1, negative 2 dot 2, negative 3, 4. This will be 2, 1 times negative 3, then negative times get negative 8. And the answer here is C. We shall be adding, this is negative 9. So negative 9 is the answer we have there. But you see that it's negative. We said if it's negative, we take its modulus. We are going to see that. Then the term and weights, modulus of u1 will be square root of 1 squared plus 1 squared plus negative 2 squared, which will give you, this is 4 plus 2, root 6. Then modulus of u2 will be square root of 2 squared, then plus negative 3 squared, then plus 4 squared. This will be 16. This will be 20 plus 9, which will be root 29. And so you know that now from u1 dot u2 equal to modulus u1. From here I substitute. Now we say because it's negative, we take its modulus. So now modulus of negative 9 equaling to, this is root 6, then root 29 cos theta. From there, start your cos theta will be. Now modulus of negative 9 becomes now 9 over root 6, then root 29. And series of theta will be cos inverse of 9 over root 6 root 29. And your theta there will be, get your calculator, and you press those values there. 6 times 9 divided by the answer. Shift cos. So see, I'm getting 46.98. We give degrees to 2 decimal places. So remember, that's how now we get the angle between two lines. I wish you the best.